Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. And welcome to this channel, My Crazy Big Black Family, right here on YouTube. Hit subscribe if you're not. Happy Sunday morning, guys. What's going on? I am on my way, as you see, it's an early morning vlog. I'm on my way to the local supermarket to pick up some food because I am going to be cooking me a nice little dinner today. Some comfort since I'm home and it's my day off. I figured, why not cook a nice little Sunday dinner? And in my house, Sunday dinner is cooked early, so let's get it. We're gonna do this early in the morning. Throw it back like back in the days when they used to cook and used to get up 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock out of church. Dinner's already done. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna play the throwback game and we're gonna have Sunday dinner. Stay tuned. So guys, welcome to my channel. So as you see, I'm on my way going into the local supermarket. And today's not a road day. Today I got on my jacket. It's a little chilly. Is there a problem? I can record as long as I'm out in public. Mind your business, work, and give me my change. Thank you. You too.
You probably should did it if it's that easy.
True. Thank you, brother. And I don't want it if it's that easy.
Yeah. Like Kanye said before today, like, don't judge us for the following. Just following. What the? Basically, like, don't judge a nigga with following them closed doors.
They're not supposed to. What people do is their business. Grown. Once you hit grown, you're grown to do as one feels.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, I ain't hearing. I'm just saying the advantage a girl has to say, "Hey, I want some."
But same as reason when guys do it. Be like, oh, can you come?
You look like an asshole. If you did.
Guys look like assholes.
Yes,
But
sir.
son, if it's not
If
good,
a guy did it, he looks like a pig in an ass. But girl does it, girl just is in the mood.
Today's conversation, if a girl wants it, do she say come on through? Or if a guy wants it, do he say come on through?
$10
What do you think?
to
Or
gross.
is it not attractive for a woman to say, come on through, I want some?
It's totally fine for either way, but I'm just saying it's frowned upon.
Yeah, but like, no. My son says it's frowned upon.
And it ain't gonna work as much as for the guy, is what I'm saying.
Whether it be the dick or not, you got interest in me to do it. So. That's it.
Like, if it's like the person, I get it, but I'm seeing all interest that pussy. I gotta go to the next. Damn, Brian. Some people get that. Maybe people fall in touch with
My Crazy Big Black Family, get subscribed.
I'm saying whatever the other
See?
one's lacking.
We just let it ride.
Doesn't have to be pertaining lick
Raw.
or always.
Welcome to my channel.